Hello all you car shoppers out there, it's me, Sean Roche, and I'm here to give you some car buying tips online. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, we are going to talk about dealer fees and how to avoid them and why you should never pay them. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I make videos like this all the time about how to get a good car deal, how to save money when you're buying a new car or a used car. What about used car warranties? What about financing? Any kind of question that you have, leasing, buying, selling, anything, I'll find you an answer. I am the car dude. Well, thank you for joining us today. And today, like I said, what we're going to talk about is dealer fees and how you can avoid them. When you run into a dealer fee in Florida, for sure, the dealers are going to tell you that they can't take the dealer fee off the buyer's guide or the buyer's order or the bill of sale. And that is a gray area, and it may or may not be true. I've heard a bunch of different things from different people, whether it's a lawyer or whether it's a dealer principal. But the bottom line is that's the excuse they're going to give you. And as a car buyer, you don't really care about that. Now, here's what you're going to end up doing. You're going to end up having them back that dealer fee out of your bill of sale, of your buyer's order, in order to get to the bottom line price, the out-the-door price that you want to get to. So the best way to negotiate around or avoid paying the dealer fee is, number one, first of all, I want to tell you, do not mention any of this until you think that they have given you their final number. Meaning you're going to go on a test drive, you're going to look at multiple vehicles, you're going to go back and forth with the sales desk, with your salesperson going back and forth to the main desk, or their sales manager, which most of the time is just a sham anyway, but they're going to go back and forth several times, and you need to wait until you think they've given you the last final number. And you're going to actually throw the trade in at that time too, but that's a whole nother video. We'll get into that later. We're talking about dealer fees today. So, you think they've come out, they've given you the final number. As a matter of fact, you can even wait until he brings the sales manager out, because that's usually what's going to happen as the last step. You're going to see a sales manager come out, and they're going to tell you that they've given you everything. They've cut here, they've cut there. They're going to show you the invoice. They might talk about all kinds of different things, addendum charges, all that kind of stuff, which those are other fees that you're going to want to avoid paying as well. But we're focused today on the dealer fee. So you get to this point, they're telling you they're all in, their pants are down, you know, this is it. This is deal signing time, right? And here's what I want you to look them dead face in the eye and say, I agree with everything on this page except for that dealer fee. If we can back that dealer fee out right now, I will sign this paper and drive this car home today. All right, flip their words right back on them. Say, if you can take that dealer fee out, I will sign this paper today. Because they're going to say, if you can do this, will you take this car today? So you're going to play all those same games with them. Only you're going to have a lot of fun with it, because you're not stressed out. You're not worried about paying your bills. You're not worried about any of the things that they're worried about on the other end of that table. What you're worried about is not paying that dealer fee. So you negotiate an excellent deal. You wait till that last minute, and then you tell them you need to back this dealer fee out. Or if you're in a state where they don't have to do that, or they're not going to throw that ball at you, then you just flat out tell them, I'm not paying the dealer fee. Say, I agree with the sales price. I agree with whatever else it is that you're agreeing with. But you tell them,
point blank, I'm not paying the dealer fee.
And like I said, in Florida, they're going to give you all kinds of pushback and, oh, it's against the law and this and that and the other. That's all BS. You tell them you can still show it on the bill of sale. I don't care what number you've got in that box that says dealer fee. And you can even say dealer profit, you know, put them in their place. And that doesn't matter, because that's just a piece of paper. At the end of the day, the amount that you pay, the bottom line that you pay, the out-the-door number, that's what's important. So remember, when you're going in to negotiate a deal, we're going to keep this video short and sweet. It's just about dealer fees. Let's stay focused, okay? I'll make another video on how to deal with your trade. I'll make another video on how to get the lowest interest rate, and I'll make another video on all that stuff. Any question you have, actually, put it in the comments. All my videos are open for comments, and any comments that I see that have a question in them, I'm going to address that, and I'm going to try to answer it. So again, like I said, my name is Sean Roach. I am the car buying dude, and I do have car buying tips online. That's my channel here on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos about how to buy a car, a new car, used car, doesn't matter, any kind of car, well, you just subscribe to my channel, and you click that little bell notification, and every time I make a new video, you'll be notified. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope that you learned something today about dealer fees. Don't pay them. I'm the car buying guy. Have a great day.